Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI and I have here with me this beautiful scarf. This is a Plum Feathers blue scarf that I think has been such a great purchase. I love the fact that the material is so soft. It's a wonderful color too. What a nice blue. And you can also see because of the material being so great, it does have that nice sheen effect too, which gives it that nice cashmere look. I love also that it is long and the size is perfect, even if I want to wear this as a nice wrap. If it's really cold and I'm wearing a dress, I can just wrap it over like this and it looks so elegant and stylish as well. But even though it is a good, decent size, it's not too heavy. I find that it's also lightweight, easy to take with me wherever I go. And such a on-the-go product, which I love. So if you are thinking of purchasing a scarf, I would definitely recommend this one here. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.